Your trash can is empty. There's no garbage inside. Yet the smell is still there, sour, rotten, or just unpleasant. You open the lid and immediately feel it. Most people find this confusing and assume the odor is coming from the room, the drain, or something nearby. But the truth is simple and uncomfortable. An empty trash can is rarely actually clean. Trash smells don't come from visible garbage. They come from residue, bacteria, and trapped moisture that stay behind long after the trash is gone. And most cleaning habits completely miss this. Every time you throw something away, food scraps, packaging, liquids, coffee grounds, microscopic residue sticks to the inside walls, bottom, and lid of the trash can. Liquids leak from bags, food vapors rise and coat the sides. Over time, this creates an invisible film. Even if the can looks clean, that film feeds bacteria, and bacteria create smell. The worst area is the bottom of the trash can. Even with bags, small leaks happen. Liquids collect underneath, especially if the bag sits there for days. When those liquids dry, they leave behind organic residue. Add warmth, and bacteria multiply. That is why smell often gets stronger when the lid is opened. You're disturbing trapped air. Another overlooked area is the lid and rim. Trash smells rise. They hit the lid, condense, and stick. Every time you open and close the lid, warm air pushes odor molecules into the plastic. People clean the inside walls but forget the lid entirely. The smell stays right where your nose goes. Trash can liners also contribute. Cheap or thin bags allow moisture and odor to pass through. Even scented bags don't solve the problem, they mask it temporarily while residue keeps building underneath. Heat makes everything worse. In warm rooms or kitchens, bacteria grow faster. That's why trash can smell stronger in summer or near appliances. Even an empty can smell bad because bacteria don't need visible trash, they just need residue. Another common mistake is spraying air freshener into the trash can. This adds fragrance particles but doesn't remove bacteria. Worse, the fragrance mixes with odor and creates a heavier, more unpleasant smell over time. The real fix starts with understanding that trash cans need deep cleaning, not just bag changes. First, take the trash can outside or into a bathtub. Remove any liner. Rinse the entire can with warm water to loosen residue. Don't skip the lid. Don't rush. Next, apply a cleaning solution that actually breaks down organic buildup. Dish soap works well because it's designed to cut grease. Scrub the inside walls, bottom, rim, and lid. Pay extra attention to seams and corners where residue collects. After scrubbing, rinse thoroughly. Soap left behind can trap odor later. Now comes the most important step, disinfection. Cleaning removes residue. Disinfecting kills odor-causing bacteria. Use white vinegar, diluted bleach used carefully, or a disinfectant spray. Let it sit for a few minutes before rinsing or wiping. Dry the trash can completely. Moisture invites bacteria back immediately. Let it air dry upside down if possible. This step alone prevents smell from returning quickly. Once dry, place a natural odor absorber at the bottom. Baking soda works well. Charcoal or coffee grounds also absorb odor. This doesn't replace cleaning, it maintains freshness afterward. Change trash bags regularly, even if they're not full. Old trash produces vapors that coat the can over time. More frequent removal means less residue buildup. Rinse spills immediately. If something leaks, don't wait for the next trash day. A quick wipe prevents long-term smell. Also clean the area around the trash can. Floors, cabinets, and walls nearby absorb odor too. If the space smells, the can will seem worse than it is. For long-term control, wash the trash can at least once a month. In kitchens with heavy food waste, twice a month is better. It takes a few minutes but saves constant frustration. Once the residue and bacteria are gone, the smell disappears completely. Not masked, not reduced, gone. An empty trash can that smells isn't mysterious. It's just dirty in ways you can't see. When you stop treating trash cans as disposable spaces and start treating them like reusable containers, the problem ends. A truly clean trash can smells like nothing at all. And once you experience that, you'll never accept empty but smelly again.